Enhance your RV experience with professionally installed undercarriage LED lighting from Motorhome Specialist. Imagine the fun at the campground, the racetrack, or anywhere your motorhome travels take you. Run your team's colors at the tailgate. Shine the red, white, and blue on the 4th of July. Enjoy the fun and spirit of the holidays in a whole new way, all with just a touch of a button. The pros at Motorhome Specialist can install the fun to any size or make of RV. Everything else is easily controlled using a smartphone or device of your choice, including the color, brightness, or one of the many pre-programmed modes, including ones that recognize and change with the sound of your favorite songs. Contact the professionals at Motorhome Specialist today for a free quote on this incredibly fun and affordable way to enlighten your RV lifestyle.